Viewers, Farooq Abdullah and India Alliance Netas are rolling the proverbial red carpet for a pro-Pak separatist. This is for their big Jantar Mantar event on July 20th, the day that the parliament session begins. Viewers, this is a dangerous betrayal of the very idea of India and the people of India, all of us. Now, at the outset, let me make one thing clear, that the demand for full statehood for Jammu and Kashmir is totally genuine. There are no problems with that demand. But you see, that fight cannot be and must not be hijacked by people whose only goal is to break India apart. Now, think of this. Why on earth would anyone invite Mirwais Umar Farooq, the Hurriyat leader, whose heart bleeds only for a separate Kashmir? He toes the Pak line. A man who has openly glorified terrorists like Burhan Wani and never once condemned terror from Pakistan that has killed thousands of innocent Indians. And this is not about statehood anymore. This is a clear bid to legitimize and mainstream anti-India organizations like Mirwais and their poisonous thinking. Farooq Abdullah is seeking Hurriyat's help to give them a platform, a stage, a voice right in the heart of Delhi at Jantar Mantar. Now, I have a copy of that letter. It's a 2-page letter, and the third page has about 52 names. 52 netas who've received invitations from Farooq are now on test. They must take a clear stand right now and say loud and clear, we will not attend this event until every name like Mirwais Umar Farooq and other separatists is junked from that list. No excuses, no ifs and buts here, no soft peddling. This is that list. 52 names. They must refuse to sit on the same stage with people who want to weaken India from within. Mirwais is the original Tukde poster boy. Rahul Gandhi, as the leader of opposition, must take the lead here, and he must stand up and say this is wrong. This is not the way to fight for statehood. Congress and every India Alliance party, Mr. Kejriwal, Mr. Stalin, Mamta Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray, Kejriwal, all the others must make it clear that they do not endorse this. We cannot afford to look soft on separatism. India Alliance cannot afford to give cover to pro-Pak elements. This is their big test, viewers, and the nation is watching. We must call out separatists and soft separatists to different categories here. Both the hard ones like Mirwais, who openly dream of a separate Kashmir, who want to break India, and the soft ones who think inviting them is smart politics, or I don't know, clever alliance building, whatever you want to, label it as. This is a slap on the face of every soldier who fights terror, who has died fighting terror. No red carpet for Pak Premis. No platform for those who glorify terror. There should be no legitimacy for Hurriyat. Farooq Abdullah and his alliance friends must at the very least reverse this invitation immediately, because if they don't do that, they stand exposed as people who are willing to compromise on India's integrity for cheap political gain. Sample the reactions.
It is something that they have been demanding quite for a long time. What is the stark reality that the people of Kashmir are facing, people of Jammu are facing? You divided it, you made it a union territory, but what is the actual plight of the people? And you should listen to the...
Let me open this up. Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party; Akash Verma, spokesperson of the National Conference; Anish Gawande, the national spokesperson of the NCP Sharad Pawar faction; Siddharth Sharma ji, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party; Professor Monojit Mondal, Ravi Srivastav ji, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes this panel. Mr. Verma, NC stands for National Conference. You know, the word national has a meaning. It has implications. It is symbolic of many things. Do you know what Mirwais Umar Farooq stands for? Or should I tell you?
We definitely know what National stands for, Mr. Pranesh. And first of all, thank you for inviting me to the show. And if I take you and all the panelists to what has happened on August 5th, 2019, I must reiterate that whatever has been taken from us was unconstitutional, illegal, and undemocratic.
What was taken from you? No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Mr. Verma, glad that you went straight to October 5, 2019. Let's discuss that. What was taken away from you?
Our constitutional rights, our statehood, our basic constitutional guarantees, which were taken away. And if we talk about today, let me clear one thing. When we knocked the doors of the Supreme Court, and when the government of India and their top leadership in front of the Supreme Court, they have admitted it 100 times that the basic constitutional rights and the constitutional guarantees of the Jammu and Kashmir will be restored. But I think, as per them, there would be
Mr. Verma, I don't know whether you were paying attention or not. I began by saying that there is no problem in demanding statehood. It is your right. You can protest at Jantar Mantar, Ramlila Maidan, anywhere you want to, and you're allowed. There is no problem with the demand. Why have you turned to Mirwais Umar Farooq? Do you know what this man stands for?
Ramesh, I would like to tell you that Mirwais Umar Farooq is a part of Jammu and Kashmir, and we have not only sent a written invitation to only one person, we have sent it to 52 members.
Why have you okay, 1 minute. Have you sent an invitation to Hafiz Saeed? Have you sent one to Salahuddin?
Ramesh, you are talking about particularly about Mirwais Umar Farooq. I would like to quote an incident on 24th of January 2025 when Mirwais Umar Farooq went to Delhi and met the Joint Parliamentary Committee over there on the issue of the Waqf Board. Then it was the same Mirwais Umar Farooq only who met with the ministries in Delhi, but at that time he was not a separatist. But today, when Dr. Farooq Abdullah, as the president of the National Conference, as the tallest public figure in Jammu and Kashmir, he has written something to Mirwais Umar Farooq. You are categorically trying to...
I have a problem with that, and the question that you are asking that the BJP spokesperson will answer. But you tell me, what does he stand for? Mirwais Umar Farooq, just because, by this logic, Mr. Verma, the BJP believes in many things. You will not want to echo some of that. It hurts your, politics. Just tell our viewers, what does Umar Farooq stand for?
I am here to talk on behalf of National Conference and what our party stands for. I am not liable what BJP thinks of it.
No, I'm not asking about the BJP, because you are defending this letter that has been written to Umar Farooq, Mirwais Umar Farooq. What does Mirwais Umar Farooq stand for? He stands for terror. He stands for separatism. He toes the Pak line. And you're writing letters?
No, now I think you are trying to put words into my mouth. I am clearly saying that we have sent the letter to each and everybody who has a strong hold and influence over people.
Strong? No, 1 minute. Strong, 1 minute. I have no problems with everybody. There are 52 names. 51 are fine. I have a problem with name number 46. Mirwais Umar Farooq. What is your compulsion? Ravi Srivastav ji? Why is the Congress party, the first three names, list of invitees, Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, top Congress leaders, why are we not hearing a clear line from the Congress party that take this name off?
Good evening, Pradesh. I think the letter has been sent and everybody will respond to it, or whether they will be joining or they'll be not joining. This will be made clear. But I have a question to you. You have no problem with the 51 people, but you have got something 46 number serial, All India Hurriyat Conference. If it is an anti-national organization, why the government has not banned it? They were contemplating it since 2021. They have never banned it. They have banned some of the offshoots, Tahreek-e-Hurriyat and all that, but they have never banned the Hurriyat Conference party.
Okay,
that
so only,
Sangathan.
okay, Mr. Ravi
And
Srivastava, okay. Now, 1 minute, let me answer that question. You've asked me a question. Now, listen to the answer. So, you would only take a position if there is something official about it, right? You want the government to first ban the organization, proscribe the individual maybe, only then can the Congress party react. This is what you're saying. Now, hear me out, sir. 1 minute. Don't get agitated, Ravi Srivastava ji. Sun lijiye, sir. I have respect for you. Suniye, sun to lijiye, Ravi Srivastava. Listen to me. Lalu Prasad Yadav has been convicted by a court of law. चारा चोर का स्टैंप लगा दिया कोर्ट ने उन पे. कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या सोचती है उनके बारे में? You still share stage with him?
But it's a judicial process. If tomorrow he is acquitted, then what you will say?
Tomorrow, sir, then you embrace him. Then you embrace him. It is as simple as that.
The judicial process, or he will undergo the imprisonment if needed, whatever is awarded.
But sir, why can't you take a position on moral grounds? The man who wants a separate Kashmir, who wants to break India, why are you inviting Mirwais Umar Farooq to this meeting? And Farooq Abdullah has written a letter to the Congress, party and 3 leaders. Why can't the Congress take a stand?
See, this is an invitation. Congress will take a stand when the
सर
time
तो
comes.
इनविटेशन हाफिज सईद को भी भेज दीजिए, सलाउद्दीन को भी भेज दीजिए. इनविटेशन इज द प्रॉब्लम. पार्टिसिपेशन तो बाद में होगा, वो तो होने नहीं देंगे. इनविटेशन से तो प्रॉब्लम है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. मैंने पूछा एनसी स्पोक्स पर्सन जो आए यहां पे, आकाश वर्मा, कि आपने सलाउद्दीन को क्यों नहीं लिखा? मीरवाइज उमर फारूक एको सलाउद्दीन वर्ड बाय वर्ड कश्मीर एज दे ड्रीम. यहां पे व्हाट इज द कंपल्शन टू इनवाइट मीरवाइज उमर फारूक? जंतर मंतर बुला रहे हैं यहां पे. हु आर द अदर्स दैट वी हैव? अनीश, विल यू टेक अ स्टैंड?
Pranesh, firstly, I think that the protest called on the 20th is a valid protest. Farooq Abdullah Saab has invited major opposition leaders. Most of us will be there. I certainly will be there on the 20th. As for your question on the invitation of Mirwais Umar Farooq, please ask the NC whether there's anybody in Kashmir who has targeted the Abdullahs more than the Mirwais himself. If there's anybody who should have a grudge against Mirwais Umar Farooq, it is the Abdullah family.
No.
because he has been a
Why?
steadfast critic.
No. 1 minute. I have a problem with the commentary by Mirwais Umar Farooq. I am a proud Indian. I have a problem with anyone says Kashmir ki azadi chahte hum. We want a separate Kashmir. My views are independent of Mr. Abdullah's politics.
There is a misreading of what Mirwais Umar Farooq has also said, because he has always been in dialogue with the Indian government.
Dialogue for
Kashmir
what? What
a
is the
place-
objective? Has Mr. No, 1 minute. Anish, 1 minute. In the beginning, I made it clear that the demand for statehood is fine. Even the government has, said that it is only a matter of time, karenge, etc., etc. But even if you want to corner the government, demand statehood, want a timeline, etc., all that is fine. Why stand with someone who does not stand with the idea of India or for the idea of India? Why are you beating around the bush, Anish?
Pranesh, this is slightly ridiculous, because the government can engage with a political actor in J&K, but the opposition should not engage with that political actor. I mean, this is a question for the National Conference to take a call on.
No,
But
why can't you
fundamentally, if
expose the
is
government?
engaging-
No, Anish, you can take a position and say that, the BJP can, like they engage with Mehbooba Mufti, who is also a soft separatist, but the NCP Sharad Pawar stands for the idea of India. We will not compromise. Anish, bol dijiye aap.
Because the Home Ministry, which is headed by Amit Shah
That's
ji, has more
okay.
intelligence than
Call
I do.
out the Home Ministry, the Modi government, by taking a clear stand.
Ji's judgment that if the government is engaging with Mirwais Umar Farooq, then I trust Farooq
Okay.
Abdullah ji's
Shehzad
judgment that maybe
Poonawala-
is justified.
If the BJP can or the government can, what is the problem if Farooq Abdullah has written a letter to Mirwais Umar Farooq?
Thank you, Pranesh. Let me explain. Mirwais Umar Farooq has a political capacity and a religious capacity. So long as his political capacity did not push the barometer of the constitution, he could have been engaged with. And therefore, in the past, there were engagements with him. But in 2018, when he said Kashmir is our nation, we will decide it through basically its fate through secession. At that time, for 4 years, he was put in jail from 2019 to 23. His faction, AAC, was banned. Asia Andrabi, another cohort of his, has been life sentenced in 2026. Yasin Malik currently is in 2 life sentences. He's been charge sheeted in other cases. Shabir Shah is in jail and will remain there. Mr. Gilani is dead. And Hurriyat is over. Somebody said Hurriyat conference ko ban nahi karte. Hurriyat conference, you can take any name. Today you can call your show India Front. Tomorrow you'll call it something else. That is not important. The important is that the entities behind Hurriyat are all either in jail or proscribed. And that is the situation of the Indian government. Even the JPC that you're referring to, Mr. Mirwais Umar Farooq was not invited. Majlis Muttahadi Ulema was invited and we strongly refused that he should have come there, but he came there in his religious capacity. We don't agree with it. If it was left to us, he should be convicted by the courts because we have already filed the charge sheet. But now let me come to the point.
On that point, Shehzad, I have a counter. The name that you've just taken, Muttahide Majlis Ulema, MMU, इस इनविटेशन में भी वही नाम से बुलाया है. तो आप लोगों ने टेम्पलेट सेट कर दिया, उसी नाम से बुलाया है फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने.
First of all, JPC is not organ of the government. Pranesh, you, Anand Ranganathan, everybody on the panel is very smart to understand that JPC is not working as organ of the government. Organ of the government ने क्या किया है, मैंने आपके सामने कच्चा चिट्टा बिना कोई शक शुबा के, बिना कोई लाग लपेट के सामने रख दिया है. Now let me address 2 very small points. First point on statehood. Should political parties in Jammu Kashmir want statehood for Jammu Kashmir? Even we want statehood for Jammu Kashmir. We have committed to Supreme Court, we have committed to Parliament. हम statehood हम ही देंगे, हमारे ही हाथ में देना. इनके नाचने से क्या होगा? हम ही देंगे, हमारे ही हाथ में, पार्लियामेंट के हाथ में. परंतु राइट टाइम पे देंगे और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने यह बात मानी है. ये कहते थे इलेक्शंस नहीं कराएंगे, यही अनीश गवांडे इलेक्शंस नहीं कराते. जब इलेक्शन कराया 66% वोटिंग हुआ. बट नाउ आई वांट टू आस्क अनीश गवांडे एंड आई वांट टू आस्क मिस्टर एनसी स्पोक्सपर्सन 2 स्टेटमेंट्स. ये अनीश गवांडे जी से पूछिए, फॉरगेट पीओके, पाकिस्तान ने चूड़ियां नहीं पहनी, फारूक अब्दुल्ला. इंडिया कैन फाइट 1000 वॉर्स, पीओके बिलोंग्स टू पाकिस्तान, फारूक अब्दुल्ला. ब्लास्ट इन पंजाब, ये ब्लास्ट तो होते रहते हैं. 370 हटा तो तिरंगा कोई उठाएगा नहीं और 370 हम चाइना की हेल्प से लागू करेंगे, फारूक अब्दुल्ला. ब्रूटल क्रैकडाउन इन पीओके, फारूक अब्दुल्ला के मुंह पे पट्टी. Then after that, batted for Afzal Guru, saying that why you have done this to Afzal Guru. Yasin Malik convicted. It is very unfortunate. Statements of Farooq Abdullah. Now Anish Gawande, take a categorical, because you will go there to protest along with Cockroach Party. You please tell me what is your stand on Farooq Abdullah's statements. And why NCP Sharad Pawar is standing. And why Mr. Mehra is standing. And before National Conference was called National Conference, it was called Muslim Conference. I just want to tell my good friend Akash ji.
Akash, respond to that.
I think Mr. Shehzad do not totally comply with what he said. I think he has not read the newspapers, because what BJP, the state unit, the Jammu and Kashmir unit of BJP is saying right now, that it is not appropriate. Even the central government says that. I suggest if you can hold the elections, if you can democratically hold the elections, and there is a government right now which has been elected by the government, by the people democratically, I think that was the appropriate time when the statehood should be restored. But it has been more than 20 months, and whenever we ask them that where is our constitutional right, they say it will come to an appropriate time. I mean, what is this? Is this a joke? You are trying to make a joke of the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Mr. Verma, 1 minute. Don't get carried away by with your emotions. 1 minute. Statehood पे debate ही नहीं है, sir. All people on the panel are for the statehood. It is only a matter of time. Okay, Dr. Ranganathan is objecting. My problem is this invitation to this pro-Pak separatist. Someone who, 1 minute sir, glorifies Burhan Wani. उसको बुला दिया आपने?
Pranesh, can I?
Yeah, Dr. Ranganathan, let Mr. Verma try once more and then I'll come to you.
Pranesh, if you have invited me to your show, I think if, everybody has the audacity, to let me speak in front of the panelists and your viewers. On behalf of National Conference, what I'm saying right now, it has been 20 months, and whatever has been promised by the government of
That's
India.
okay, Mr. Verma. That is not up for debate. I am saying I have no problems with the demand for statehood. The BJP spokesperson said there's no problem in that. Shahzad.
Just 1 second, because I know this debate will go into a different direction. My question is before Anandji comes in with his, entire gamut of arguments, which are very strong always. I just have one question. Anish Gawande and Akash, take a stand on the statements of Farooq Abdullah before Anand Ranganathan steps in with his other points. Take a stand first on that. I want Anish Gawande to take a stand. अभी तो आम आदमी पार्टी का काला चिट्टा खोलूंगा मैं, पहले अनीश गवांडे से निपट लेता हूं.
Sure. I have the same respect for Farooq Abdullah ji that former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had for Farooq Abdullah ji. I have the same respect for Farooq Abdullah ji that Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to have for Farooq Abdullah ji whenever he meets him in Parliament or beyond. National security is not a matter for national television. The relationship between the Abdullahs and the Indian state
ये
has
क्या है
been a
भाई?
contentious
ये
one.
तो नया, I think you've been attending wrong protests lately, Anish. National security is not a matter for national television. Wow. Separatism is for national television. And parties with names like national conferences or anything national in their name must indulge in, must indulge with separatist elements, Anish. You are redefining many things.
The same BJP that is in an alliance with the PDP not too long ago has the temerity now to say
No,
that
so
the national
I
conference
said
should
let's
be-
call out the BJP, but for that you have to take the moral high ground. I called out the BJP's alliance with Mehbooba Mufti. I just did. But you must take a moral high ground and then expose the BJP. But you are in the same boat. That's the problem, Dr. Ranganathan.
Yeah, good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I have slightly revised my itinerary or schedule when I believe that statehood should be at least given back to Jammu and Kashmir. I think it should be when each and every Kashmiri Pandit or Hindu who was driven out of Kashmir is rehabilitated there. Only then will you have a just statehood given to Jammu and Kashmir. That is my position right now. And I'm surprised it took as long as this for the mask to fall off. One can trust these Kashmiri leaders as much as one can trust Dracula to keep his mouth shut at a blood donation camp. Their first allegiance is to religion, second to Pakistan, third to China, and fourth to dynasty. Fact is that after Modi government abrogated Article 370, these terror apologists have been itching to foment trouble, even asking China to intervene. Farooq Abdullah ji, they talk of human and religious rights. But remember how they called Wani a youth icon, how they condoled the death of terrorists, and leave aside showing concern for the minorities in Kashmir. वो तो हमें पता है reality क्या है. When have you heard them speak out against the brutal trampling of human rights of lakhs of Dalits, Gurkhas, women, Sikhs, refugees, homosexuals in Kashmir because of 370 and 35A? सांप सूंघ किया था क्या? Human rights की बात करते रहते हो. But I'll tell you, when they do speak out, Pranesh, when their power and their authority are threatened, like when Sheikh Abdullah spoke, and I quote, self-determination is our right. Countries that do not support it are our enemies. Or when Farooq Abdullah spoke out, and I quote him, they want to abolish 370 and we'll remain silent. Inshallah, we will fight. We dare them. Allah would want we gain independence from India, unquote. Or when Mehbooba Mufti threatened rivers of blood if 370 was abrogated, mourned the death of terrorist Wani, said flags other than the tricolor will fly, said why would a Muslim majority state want to stay with India, wanted to introduce death of Islam by stoning as punishment according to Islamic Sharia law, like their ideological father Gilani, who said, and I quote, number one, India is a bigger enemy of Islam and Muslims than even Israel. Number two, Muslims are a qawm wholly separate from the Hindus. The basis of their unity is Islam and Islam alone. Three, accession to India would result in Kashmiri Muslims having to live perpetually under Hindu slavery. Four, Kashmir must become an Islamic state. Pranesh, truth is, these are the people who would sell Jammu and Kashmir the moment you give them 1 second. And let me tell you on this national spokesperson jo bana hua hai NC ka, the gates for the enemy are always open from the inside. I will not elaborate. I'll let your viewers elaborate this. Verma jo bhi naam hai.
आकाश वर्मा नेशनल स्पोक्स पर्सन नहीं है, स्पोक्स पर्सन है पर पार्टी में नेशनल है, तो वो ठीक है, वी विल, दैट्स अ सेपरेट डिबेट ऑल टुगेदर. बट आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. अनीश कांट से टेक अ पोजीशन. अनीश ने तो आज मुझे सरप्राइज कर दिया.
That's not fair at all.
Of
I
course,
think
what
the
you're saying is
history-
not fair. I agree. You're saying national security should not be discussed on national television.
No, the history of Kashmir is a history of
History
negotiations
of Kashmir.
across
No, 1 minute.
differences.
So you want to discuss history of Kashmir? It'll be more inconvenient for you, Anish. You must take a clear stand.
I'm a
Kashmir
party
was
based-
internationalized, was taken to the United Nations. That is the history of Kashmir. And that historical blunder was corrected on August 5, 2019. Dr. Ranganathan?
Yes, because Anish is a very dear friend, and I am pained today because he is hiding behind the giant leaders like Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He has really become a star politician. I ask my good friend Anish again. I quote Farooq Abdullah. Inshallah, we will fight. We dare them. Allah would want that we gain independence from India. Unquote. Anish, you don't have the spine to condemn this?
Sheikh Abdullah, who made those statements, is the one who stood steadfast with India. The same Sheikh Abdullah who made those statements.
So he is not doing a
entered
favor
into-
to India. No, 1 minute. What is this? I don't need these motherhood statements. One, Anish, either take a stand. Akash Verma ji, ye kya hai? Independence from India? Which is why I said separatists and soft separatists.
I would really appreciate if you give me an uninterrupted minute on your show.
Okay,
because
you count them. No, you count the seconds in that minute and finish in 1 minute. Boliye.
Now Mr. Ranganathan has, explored the history out of what has Sheikh Abdullah has done, what Dr. Farooq Abdullah has done, what Umar Abdullah is doing right now. It was, let me tell you first, it was Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah who has joined the hands with the rest of the nation. It was because of Sheikh Abdullah that J&K today is a part of India. And the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir was a part of India. When you talk about Dr. Farooq Abdullah, it was Dr. Farooq Abdullah who has made everything possible. It is just your ignorance. It is just
Ignorance. This happens when you read historians like, I don't want to name the historians, but historians as we call them, ye yahi hoga. Dr. Ranganathan?
As I said, the gates for the enemy are always open from the inside. And Akash Verma is a living example of that. Kuch to sharam kar lo. He does
Shehzad,
not deny my
the opposition is pointing to the BJP, asking the BJP to take a stand.
My stand is extremely clear. My party stand is extremely clear that we will not allow these separatist or Pak proxies to gain legitimacy in Jammu Kashmir. Today, look at where Kashmir has come. And I want to ask Akashji and Anil Gawande, once again I want to ask him. Before 2019, Indian constitution was not applicable in Jammu Kashmir. ये आरक्षण संविधान अंबेडकर जी का करते, it was not applicable. भारत का तिरंगा लाल किले पर था, लाल चौक में नहीं था. टुडे अनीश गवांडे 370 को हमने कबर में डाला तो तिरंगा भी लागू हो गया वहां पर सेंट्रल कानून लागू हुआ, शेड्यूल ट्राइब राइट लागू हुआ, आरक्षण वंचित समाज के लिए लागू हुआ और भारत का भीमराव अंबेडकर जी का संविधान लागू हुआ. Are you for संविधान or are you with Farooq Abdullah who opposes the removal of 370? Are you with Aam Aadmi Party who opposes the removal of 370? Are you with NC with opposes the removal of 370? Second question to you. जब तक ये 370 था तब तक वहां पर श्रीनगर में ना ताजिया चल रहे थे ना मां शारदा के मंदिर में घंटे बज रहे थे. आज दोनों चीज हो रही है और आज आतंकी को हमने गार्ड कर रख दिया है. अफजल गुरु को गार्ड कर रख दिया, यासीन मलिक को भी कन्विक्ट किया. Are you with conviction of Yasin Malik? Farooq Abdullah says it's unfortunate. Now, Mr. Avnish Gawande, please tell me, do you stand with Farooq Abdullah, do you stand with Yasin Malik, or do you stand with Indian judiciary? Categorical position लीजिए, इधर उधर मत जाइए.
Position.
Pranesh, let me answer here. I went to the Shankaracharya temple in 2012 before this government came to power. I went to the Shankaracharya temple in 2026 after the Pahalgam attack as well. I have gone to that temple even when the conditions were not great under this government, when they were good under the previous government. For anyone to assume that a single government can determine the connection of Kashmir to India is a level of arrogance I do not
No, this
wish
is not
upon
about
any government.
connection. That is
We
not
have
up for debate. The connection is not the problem. He is asking you to take a position on these individuals. Farooq Abdullah, 1 minute. Mehbooba Mufti and Farooq Abdullah, Anish, 1 minute. Anish, don't this, this is a disservice to your brand of politics. You're young, you're articulate, erudite, patriotic, etc., etc. But I understand the political compulsions, but let's put India first. The country India, not the alliance. Comments made by Mehbooba Mufti and Farooq Abdullah were clear. They said we dare anyone to, remove Article 370.
Colonel Vijay Shah, Minister Vijay Shah is calling Colonel Sophia Qureshi
वो
the
गलत है ना,
terrorist.
that
He's
is
still sitting as
wrong.
minister.
That is wrong. हर डिबेट में विजय शाह can't be your defense. यासीन मलिक को जो डिफेंड करते हैं, बुरहान वानी को जो डिफेंड करते हैं, अनीश, you can't say विजय शाह ने ऐसे किया तो हम भी बोलेंगे. You take a position ना, every other day you are at Jantar Mantar.
20 seconds, I will respond in 20 seconds. Home Ministry is not under my control. Prime Minister's position is not under my control. If these people are so bad, arrest them before they can come to Jantar Mantar.
Expose the Home Ministry, expose the Prime Minister's office, the government. Expose them, take a position. The BJP spokesperson is daring you to take a stand. You take a stand and then you ask Shehzad Poonawala. Okay, Siddharth Sharma ji, आपका तो नेशन फर्स्ट रहा है हमेशा. इसमें अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का भी नाम है. कितने नंबर पे है वो? Number 10. Shouldn't Mr. Kejriwal make it clear that strike off Mirwais Umar Farooq's name and we will come? Because statehood is not a problem. There's no problem with the protest or the cause.
Yeah, let me come one by one to all your questions. Point number one, let us be very clear that Aam Aadmi Party supported 370 abrogation. It opposed J&K state abrogation. Both are a matter of parliamentary record. No point in anyone trying to prove humans as non-biological. Whoever says becomes a joke. Now, BJP and the ED party had said that terrorism will evaporate after that. Now, Pahalgam has happened under ED party central rule. That's the fact. Now, as far as your question is concerned regarding an invitation, although making it clear that Aam Aadmi Party is not part of Team India and any state government come lately is running away essentially from promises it made to J&K citizens. The truth here is that not just we, but even the ED party...
Mr. Sharma, save this speech for Jantar Mantar on July 20th. ये वहां का script यहाँ मत बोलिए. ये उस दिन बोलिएगा जाके. Or give the script to your leader. Answer my question. I am asking you to take a position on this Mirwais Umar Farooq. Pro-Pak separate. इसके बारे में बोलिए सर एक लाइन. इनको बुलाना चाहिए, बुलाना सही है या गलत है?
हाँ, आपने शुरुआत में कहा कि हम लोग बीजेपी को भी एक्सपोज कर सकते हैं, तो ईडी पार्टी एक्सेप्टिंग ट्रम्प सीज फायर टू ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अगेंस्ट पहलगाम टेरर एक्टर्स मेक्स ईडी पार्टी अ वेरी नेशनलिस्ट एंटिटी. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद दैट.
Okay, you expose the BJP. Now you are exposing yourself by not answering. सिंपल सवाल है, उसका जवाब दे दीजिए सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी. आई सेड सर एक मिनट, ये सवाल है मीरवाइज उमर फारूक के इनविटेशन को आप सही मानते हैं, गलत मानते हैं?
Sir, didn't I very clearly say that although making it very clear that Aam Aadmi Party is not part of Team India. Now whether Mr. Trump says anything about the Prime Minister of
Team
India,
this has gone beyond Team India. ये तो टीम पाकिस्तान को भी बुला लिया, इन्होंने चिट्ठी लिख दिया है. वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. टीम इंडिया तक रहता तो ठीक है. मीरवाइज उमर फारूक इज नॉट टीम इंडिया आइदर, ही इज टीम पाक. दैट्स द डिबेट. प्रोफेसर मंडल, ममता बनर्जी का भी नाम है इसमें.
Yes. So first of all, I don't know what she will be doing, but yeah, definitely it doesn't give a good signal to such meeting. But why Mr. Abdullah has invited this person who is still under trial, as rightly said by Mr. Shehzad Poonawala. But then which political party cares about political morality? काल जो यहाँ रहेंगे, आज तो बीजेपी जाएंगे. अब देखें ना what is happening in Bengal. You took 3 MPs, TMC MPs. 1 month ago you used to abuse them on TV. So there is no political morality in any political party. So I'm not surprised that Mr. Farooq Abdullah is inviting these people. And if needed, I think BJP will also invite or be with people like Farooq
Okay,
Abdullah.
but Professor Mondal, what would you advise Mamta Banerjee to do? should Mamta Banerjee make it clear that I am not joining if Mirwais Umar Farooq's name is on the list of invitees?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Mamta Banerjee has got no problem with Mr. Farooq Abdullah, but she should have problem with person like Mirwais Farooqi, because we know his credentials.
Okay.
Because we
Shehzad?
know that he had been charged of many.
Shehzad?
Hello, can I answer?
Yes.
Can I answer? Is this for me? Can I
Yeah,
answer?
that is for
My
you,
audio
yes.
has gone. Okay. So first of all, I am going to expose Aam Aadmi Party. I am getting echo, please correct it. Mehraj Malik is their lone MLA in the valley in Jammu Kashmir, and he has voted in support of resolution for restoring 370 in the Jammu Kashmir Assembly. And if Aam Aadmi Party truly believes in the removal of Article 370, then they should remove Mehraj Malik, who continues to be their MLA. So please don't allow people to lie here. Secondly, if Mamta Banerjee is disassociating with the likes of Mr. Mirwais Farooq, very good. She should tell Farooq Abdullah on the face, and Farooq Abdullah's own statements are under question right now. And thirdly, I will recommend that today you de-designate Anish Gawande. No, don't call him Cockroach Party spokesperson yet. Call him Islamic Congress, not Nationalist Congress, Islamic Congress. Because once upon a time, Sharad Pawar left the Congress because he could not stand a foreigner. Today, that Sharad Pawar's party is standing with those who are giving red carpet to Yasin Malik type of people. And Anish Gawande is going idhar, udhar, but not taking a stand. I am asking again, constitution bolte hai na, 370 hataya to constitution लागू हुआ अम्बेडकर जी का. Anish ji, आप साथ में हैं या खिलाफ है? फारूक अब्दुल्ला खिलाफ है. बोलिए आप किधर है? बोलिए.
Final attempt.
My answer is very simple, Pranesh. The fact that anybody can come for a protest is in front of you at Jantar Mantar. Let the government lead by example. If they have such a big problem with all of these entities, then why are they roaming free to begin
Do
with?
you have a
It is
problem with this?
hypocritical to-
No, 1 minute. Anish, don't you have a problem? Should you not have a problem with anyone who wants a separate Kashmir, who wants to break India?
Over the course of history, we have engaged with people in Kashmir.
I am not
and
falling
who
for
should
this
be-
history. 1 minute. Sir, gone are those days where, TV anchors would indulge this kind of commentary. History, dialogue, etc., etc. If you bat for Pakistan, the red line is drawn there. It ends there. Dr. Ranganathan?
Thank you, Pranesh. I have just sent you video evidence of verbatim what Farooq Abdullah said. Inshallah, we will fight. Allah would want that we gain independence from India. Now, I know Akash Verma ji will not answer me, but at least through you, I want him to look inside his soul. अगर पैसा चाहिए था, पावर चाहिए थी, कुछ और कर लेते. इन लोगों के साथ क्यों मिल गए आकाश वर्मा? कश्मीरी हिंदूज को जब खदाड़े गए ये लोग चुप थे और ये कह रहे हैं कि वी वांट टू गेन इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम इंडिया. ऐसा क्या था आकाश वर्मा जो कि इन आदमियों से मिल गए? आप बताओ आकाश.
मिस्टर रंगनाथन, जो आप ये व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से चीजें पढ़कर आते हैं और नेशनल टेलीविजन पे बात करते हैं, आप मेरी बात सुने. Mr. Pranesh, let me clear my point. Let us come to the point. We are here for a debate, not a chaos what has been created. As far as I see, you all people are just trying to diverge us from the topic. The basic topic is the statehood, and you are just hinting towards something what has happened. And
Mr. Verma, if the basic topic is statehood, you have my support. I will stand with you.
You are just bringing up an issue which is not relevant at all.
Relevant? Of course it is relevant. It's at the heart of this, Mr. Verma. It is at the heart of this. And by the way, Dr. Ranganathan is from Jawaharlal Nehru University. WhatsApp University के नहीं है वो, JNU के हैं. For whatever it is worth. So वो भी अलग मुद्दा है. But मुझे आप ये बताइए, when people like Mirwais Umar Farooq, let me read it out to you, क्या क्या कहा है. He went to pay tributes to Afzal Guru and reiterated the call for shutdown. This is the man. Anish wants to be, the next big thing in the protest circuit. So Anish is not taking a position. कोई बात नहीं Anish, it's okay. I don't grudge you that. I wish you all the best. Ravi Srivastav can't take a position because he has no orders from the party. उनको पता ही नहीं है क्या बोलना है. सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी ने हिम्मत दिखाई, वो एटलीस्ट बोल रहे हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी ने 370 बैट किया था, वो सही बात है. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड. आई जस्ट होप, जैसे मनोजीत मंडल ने बोला है, सीधा सीधा बोलिए, मीरवाइज उमर फारूक is a pro-Pak separatist. We will not stand with him. You can abuse the BJP, say things about the Prime Minister, go after the Home Minister, do all of that. That is politics. But please do not mainstream anti-India voices like Mirwais Umar Farooq. And viewers, don't fall for this कि ban नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. Convicted terrorists are being legitimized, hailed, given clean sheet by these people. So nothing comes in the way of their politics, of their narrative, and that is the truth. So Mr. Verma, the comments that have been made by Farooq Abdullah, now he is your leader, I understand you don't want to be speaking about your leader. But Mirwais Umar Farooq is not your leader. Why are you defending him?
Defending anybody. Let me clear this thing. Whatever the matter is being discussed here, it is a matter of investigative agencies.
Investigative agency? The man defends Afzal Guru. उसमें investigation हो गया, execution हो गया. Investigation क्या करना है? अच्छा, अफजल गुरु कौन था? Okay. Akash Verma, who was Afzal Guru? Say he should be probed. Afzal Guru, Burhan Wani, who was was Burhan Wani a terrorist or should be probed? बोलिए.
Is this a question for me?
Obviously, Burhan can't come and answer. He's gone. आपको ही बोलना है.
What did you ask? Please.
अफजल गुरु, बुरहान वानी टेररिस्ट है या इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जरूरत है?
Mr. Pranesh, why are you guys just trying to diverge the topic here?
डाइवर्ट नहीं है सर. आप क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? आपको मना किया पार्टी ने, नहीं बोलना है. These are terrorists. Okay. अनीश इस पे तो बोल सकते. अनीश, अफजल गुरु, बुरहान वानी terrorist, yes or no?
Of course, Burhan Wani is a terrorist. Who has ever said that Burhan Wani
And
is not a
Afzal Guru?
terrorist? But Vijay
No,
Shah,
1 minute. Afzal Guru, Anish, don't run away.
Terrorist.
No, 1 minute, 2 questions, 2 answers.
Afzal Guru is a terrorist declared by the Supreme Court of India in a verdict that says it
Okay,
is only
Akash
done to
Verma.
satisfy the
आकाश वर्मा, आप बोलेंगे, आप मानते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट में?
आप मेरी प्रणेश जी, जो कोर्ट में अगर कन्विक्टेड है तो ऑब्वियसली हम मानते हैं, इसमें पूछने
तो
वाली
बोल
कौन सी
दीजिए
बात
ना,
है?
बुरहान वानी इज अ टेररिस्ट, बोल दीजिए.
आप गड़े मत
कोर्ट
बोलो,
ने नहीं, कोर्ट ने 370 को भी एंडोर्स किया है. आपको उससे भी प्रॉब्लम है?
What is this debate? What does this debate stand
This
for?
debate stands for idea of India. I stand for idea of India. You have a problem?
If within the jurisdiction of Government of India, within the framework of Constitution.
Forget the government
we
of
are
India. Every citizen has a right to talk about idea of India. This is not about the government. Idea of India BJP से पहले भी था और बाद में भी रहेगा. Why can't you call out terrorists? Manojit Mandal, Afzal Guru and the other man, Burhan Wani, terrorist for you? Yes or no?
What kind of debate is this? Everyone knows in this country.
Everyone नहीं है ना सर. आकाश वर्मा is also part of the country. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, आप बोलिए. आ रहा हूं. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन शहजाद, just 1 minute. एक बार सर ये रोल कॉल कर लेते हैं, पता चल जाएगा.
Declared by the Supreme Court as a terrorist.
Okay.
But the subject here is a statehood of Kashmir.
तो सर स्टेटहुड पे तो बीजेपी सपोर्ट कर रही है, उनको भी चिट्ठी में लिख देते, वो भी आ जाते. स्टेटहुड पे डिबेट नहीं है ये. दिस इज अबाउट एंटी इंडिया एलिमेंट्स यू ब्रॉट. सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी,
यस सर.
बोलिए. टेररिस्ट है ना दोनों?
अरे बिल्कुल, बहुत स्पष्ट है कि कांग्रेस लेड टीम इंड इज टाइंग इटसेल्फ इन नॉट्स बाय इनवाइटिंग सेपरेटिस्ट while ED party stops military action against Pahalgam terrorists dictated by Trump. So what is the difference here?
Okay, what is the difference? Shahzad?
The question is that when there is a party like leaders like Farooq Abdullah, and not just Farooq Abdullah, Saifuddin Soos, who have said Afzal is not a terrorist, Yasin Malik conviction is wrong. I am today having a doubt, or I am having a problem with Nationalist Congress Party, Indian National Congress, and Aam Aadmi Party, who time and again are allying with them, and conveniently because उनको पता है प्रणेश की डांट पड़ेगी, आनंद रंगनाथन का सुनना पड़ेगा, तो यहां पर तो एकदम अच्छा स्टैंड ले लो और वहां जाकर उनके साथ में बात करो. मैं इनसे बोलता हूं, सैफुद्दीन सोज के साथ क्यों बैठे ये लोग, क्यों बैठे ये फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी के साथ? बताइए ना एक बार बताओ. ये रवि श्रीवास्तव से पूछो गवांडे जी से. संविधान नहीं मानते, सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं मानते, इनका बस चलता तो ये बुरहान वानी को ले आते प्रोटेस्ट में.
नहीं, उसको तो ला नहीं सकते. वह आकाश वर्मा ने अभी तक जवाब नहीं दिया. बुरहान वानी इज अ टेररिस्ट, उनके मुंह से नहीं निकल रहा. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन.
हाँ नहीं, देखिए प्रणेश, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, देयर इज अ फ्रेज कॉल्ड हॉर्सेस फॉर कोर्सेस. तो रोल कॉल में भी ना थोड़ा डिफरेंस में लाना चाहता हूं, और वो आपके थ्रू लाना चाहता हूं. ये नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के जो हैं वर्मा जी, ये आंसर नहीं कर रहे वेदर बुरहान वानी वाज अ टेररिस्ट. और आम आदमी पार्टी के जो मेरे मित्र सिद्धार्थ जी हैं, आप उनसे थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके पूछिए, सिंपल पूछिए, वॉज जर्नैल सिंह भिंडरवाले या टेररिस्ट? पूछिए जरा, देखते हैं क्या वो
बोल देंगे. यस बोल देंगे वो. सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी बोल दीजिए सर.
बिल्कुल, जो टेररिस्ट है वो टेररिस्ट है, और बीजेपी वाले ये करते
बोल दिया
हैं.
सर. देखिए सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी, पूरा मैंने कहा था इंडिया फर्स्ट है उनका. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, वो पास हो गए कि नहीं?
नहीं, एक मिनट, पास ही नहीं हुए. ही इज पास विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स. लेकिन आई आस्क्ड इट फॉर अ लेसन टू मिस्टर वर्मा, आकाश वर्मा. ये भी पॉलिटिशियन है सिद्धार्थ, लेकिन जो टेररिस्ट हैं वो टेररिस्ट बोल रहे हैं. आपने अपना जमीर का क्या हुआ आकाश वर्मा? कुछ पैसे या वोट्स के लिए मत करो मेरे भाई, मत करो.
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, यू आर नॉट समबडी जो किसी को सर्टिफिकेट लेंगे, और आपके सर्टिफिकेट्स की तो खासकर वी डोंट नीड सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम योर साइड. Whatever the negative picture you are trying to paint right now is not relevant.
Negative picture of Burhan Wani, Afzal Guru. I am giving you 2 minutes. Paint a positive picture of Afzal Guru and Burhan Wani. 2 minutes to you, Akash Verma.
Invited us on a debate for the restoration of rights of Jammu and Kashmir. You just pinpointed something, that why was the invitation sent to Mirwais?
I am giving you 2 minutes to paint a positive picture of Burhan Wani and Afzal Guru and Mirwais Umar Farooq. Paint a positive picture, prove me wrong. Akash Verma, why are you shying away from that question?
Answer me one thing. Is this a relevant question at this time?
Yes. It is the only relevant question.
I don't feel like.
Because the question that you are asking and repeating about statehood, everyone on the panel, including the BJP spokesperson, is backing that demand. Everyone. उसमें debate कहाँ है? Debate तो इसमें जो आप आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं.
ये ना, आप मुझसे डिबेट अफजल गुरु पे के या बुरहान वानी पे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं?
क्यों अफजल गुरु पे? व्हाई शुड यू नॉट टेक अ स्टैंड? वो टेररिस्ट है. अनीश डवांडे बोल रहे हैं, सिद्धार्थ शर्मा बोल रहे हैं, मनोजीत मंडल बोल रहे हैं, रवि श्रीवास्तव ने भी बोल दिया है.
अगर कोर्ट ने कन्विक्ट किया है तो इसमें मेरे से पूछने की क्या जरूरत है? दैट मीन यू डोंट बिलीव.
कोर्ट ने तो सर 370 को भी एंडोर्स किया है, वो भी नहीं मानते आप तो.
आप देखिए, आप
ओके. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन सर, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यू नो वॉट एवर यूनिवर्सिटी यू आर फ्रॉम?
नहीं, देखिए आकाश वर्मा को आप, फिर भी मैं इनको दे देता हूं, ग्रांट करता हूं. कह रहे आउट ऑफ सिलेबस मत पूछो. मैं इनसाइड सिलेबस पूछ रहा हूं. जब आर्टिकल 370 यू आर बैटिंग फॉर इट फॉर 50 years, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Did you know that you were trampling on the human rights of lakhs of Dalits, Gurkhas, refugees and women and homosexuals? Then you were not shamed. They were not given the
Let him answer. Let him answer.
Article 370. For the accession of Jammu and Kashmir with the rest of the India. Do you understand this? And your and whatever and wherever you have been sponsored from the Bharatiya Janata Party, those are the people who support, who thinks that this state belongs to Maharaja Hari Singh, and Maharaja Hari Singh was the person who has brought Article 370. Now you tell me, are you against Maharaja Hari Singh?
Talking about Maharaja Hari Singh.
If you are saying about Article 370, tell me.
Mr. Verma, 1 minute. अब सर फुल डिस्क्लोजर का टाइम आ गया है. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन is from JNU. Which university are you from?
Sorry?
Don't be sorry. I am sorry for you. Which university are you from?
I am a civil engineer and I have studied from Symbiosis International University. That is a renowned name, and I do not have to justify it in front
That's
of
okay,
you.
because you brought up the university thing by, saying WhatsApp university, etc. Anish के पास तो foreign degree है. Anish studied abroad. And which is why his heart does not beat for India. पूरा अभी धड़कता नहीं है. India alliance, yes, but not for the country. Anish, आज आप पकड़े गए. Stand नहीं ले पा रहे. शहजाद पूनावाला.
ऐसा है कि आनंद रंगनाथन गिव्स वेरी गुड आंसर्स, बट आई हैव प्रॉब्लम विद हिज क्वेश्चन. कर्नाटका में बैठे सिद्धार्थ शर्मा से वो भिंद्रन वाले के बारे में पूछ रहे. भाई केजरीवाल खालिस्तानियों के घर में सोता था, गुल पनाग ने बोला है. आप केजरीवाल और भगवंत मान से पूछने वाला सवाल कर्नाटका में बैठे शर्मा जी से पूछ रहे हो भाई. तो आनंद जी ऐसा तो मत कीजिए.
नहीं, अब जो आएंगे 19 सवाल पूछेंगे, क्योंकि अगर अभी नहीं मेरे को तो महबूबा मुफ्ती वाला सवाल भी पूछना है. अब उसका जवाब कौन देगा? फारूक महबूबा मुफ्ती आर टू साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन. वो सवाल भी है.
क्या सकते हैं?
मैं जवाब दूं उसका? मैं तो कहीं भाग नहीं रहा अनीश की तरह. आई गिव द आंसर. मैं जवाब देता हूं. We have taken the right decision at the right time, and because we took the right decisions, today we are seeing Jammu Kashmir without the scourge of Article 370, and I am proud that we took that decision, which was in the long-term interest of Jammu Kashmir. I have no if
long-term में right decision, short-term में wrong decision to ally with Mehbooba Mufti. Let that be placed on record, Shehzad. There is no defense for this alliance with Mehbooba Mufti. No defense. Don't even try. We've run out of time. Hopefully we'll have more time, on Monday to debate this, at least on the 20th, when this, event takes place at Jantar Mantar. I hope that the 51 people who've got this invitation take a stand. Thank you for watching the News Hour with Navita Kumar on the other side.